हेलो गाइस, जय हिंद ऑल ऑफ़ यू। दिस इज़ अमरदीप एंड वेरी वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ़ यू। कैसे हैं आप लोग? सबसे पहले मैं इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहूँगा कि भाई आपसे जो है ना रेगुलर हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे नया नया टॉपिक अराउंड 10 to 15 मिनट। यस, एंड डेली का हम लोग का रहेगा कि कंप्लीट करना है करंट सेशन। देखो भाई, सबसे पहले ट्रम्पा का फ़ोटो आ गया नो वरी। तो शॉर्ट्स में हम लोग जो है ना लगभग 10 to 15 मिनट्स हम लोग करेंगे कवर डेली। यस, डेली इट मीन्स डेली। इसके साथ में डबल बेनिफिट हो जाएगा। फर्स्ट तो करंट भी हो जाएगा और इसके साथ में इंग्लिश में भी इम्प्रूवमेंट मिलेगा। ठीक है ना? तो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस सेशन। यस यस, लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस सेशन। क्या बोल रहा है? बोल रहा है कि जैसे मोदी है, इधर इधर ट्रम्प है, ठीक है ना? तो बोल रहा है कि अपोजिशन लीडर अपोजिशन लीडर अपोजिशन लीडर ओ भाई साहब, अपोजिशन लीडर इन इंडिया have slammed Prime Minister Narendra Modi for not speaking out against US President Donald Trump's derogatory का यहाँ पे हम ये बोलेंगे कि जो मनसूब ट्रम्पा बोलता है ना, पगला ट्रम्पा, तो उसके खिलाफ हम लोग कुछ बोलते नहीं है, इसीलिए यहाँ पे शायद ये है, ये मतलब इसका मीनिंग ये हो सकता है। बाकी बाद में हम लोग देख लेंगे इसको। तो बोलता है कि रिमार्क्स अबाउट इंडिया, यस they have point out the government's mute response and remind of Trump's history of making controversial statement about India। ट्रम्प पागल है, जो मन सो बोल देता है हम लोग के बारे में, इंडिया के बारे में जो मन सो बोल देता है। एक्सट्रीमली why this extremely disappearing theme opposition slam PM Modi over Trump। hello hello whole remark। भाई पगला ट्रम्प हो, कुछ से कुछ बोलता है। बाकी जो इम्पोर्टेंट सब रहेगा वो हम लोग कोशिश करेंगे कवर करने का, और जो आगे में कुछ कुछ आ जाएगा तो उसको भी थोड़ा अवॉइड किया जाएगा। ठीक है ना? तो यहाँ पे बोलता है कि कथी होगी, my source stock why regulatory in India or this nation are spoke by Atropics new tools cloud my tools which represent a major leap in capability over Atropics existing AI synonyms has drawn globally attention because of its ability to autonomously identify seriously vulnerability, vulnerabilities in widely used software and infrastructure. The system can detect security follows across operating systems, browsers, and enterprises software at a pace far beyond most human researches. No worry, just chill. Alia Bhatt on why she betting on YRF's Alpha after Zira box ऑफिस जम कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग है। आलिया भट्ट वगैरह ये सब भी थोड़ा थोड़ा पढ़ लेंगे, क्योंकि पढ़ने से तो कुछ लॉस नहीं है, थोड़ा सा नॉलेज ही मिलेगा। ठीक है ना? आलिया भट्ट 2024 एक्शन थ्रिलर झर जिगरा 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 disappointed at the box office, revealing the lack of audience for female-led action film in India. In an interview, her she discussed her risking taking with YRF's Alphas, the first female legend firm in their spy universe, and her experiment for the unique story and co-star share. Yes, no worry, just chill. Now RCB versus GT IPL 2026 playing 11 today match. RCB and GT will face off in match 34 of IPL 2026. Both teams are looking to bounce back from their previous losses. RCB has a strong batting and bowling lineup, while GT's middle order is concerned. The predicate exercise include players like Kohli, Patidar, and Rashid Khan. The squads also feature big names like Gill, Butter, and Rabbad. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा इसमें थोड़ा चलें डीप, देख लेते हैं डीप में जाके क्या बात है इसमें। बोलते हैं रॉयल चैलेंज बेंगलुरु आरसीबी वर्सेस गुजरात टाइटंस IPL 2026 playing 11 today. Match squad players list: Rajat Patidar. Royal Challenges Bangalore will be taken on Subham Gill. Gujarat Titan in match 34 of ongoing India's Prime League. Um, India's Prime League. Indian Premier League at the M. Chinnaswamy Stadium in Bangalore on Friday. Both sides have lost their previous games and will be looking to get back to winning away. Yes, although Bangalore has lost two games this season, they have looked imperious through this campaign, and at home they have found the right formula to pick the side which can score run with the bat, and also a bowling attack which can exclude the attitude plants that have been laid in front of them. Shooting the fifth wicket at Bangalore. As per Titans, they have played close games before getting thrashed uh, by the Mumbai Indians in their last encounter. The biggest worry, or rather an eye-opener, was the middle row order when the top order had failed. There are not a lot of cap options either which can look for that middle order from the squad. Yes, no worry guys, चलता है ये सब, क्रिकेट में चलता है, कोई बात नहीं. What a sweeping new H-1B bill will mean for Indian students and professionals. A new bill in the US process changes to H-1B visa system, including a 3 year pause, reduce cap wage-based selection, and $200,000 minimum salary. This could dispute the pipeline for skilled Indian students and professionals, but it is seen as a negotiating tactic for such structural reform. ओ भाई साहब, ट्रम्पा पागल हो ट्रम्पा. Rihanna returned to India after Ambani's wedding. Pops welcomed her with "I love you, Riri." Oh my God. US soldier arrested for $400,000 inside bet on Maduro capture. Oh bhai साहब. A US Special Forces soldier Ghanun Van Dyke has been arrested for using classified information to win over $400,000 in an online betting market retaliated to the operational to capture Venezuelan President Nicolás Maduro. The soldiers is facing charges for un- unlawful use of confidential government information for personal gain and illegally transfer has winning to a foreign cryptocurrency valuable OMG कोती कोती हीरोइन सब दिख रहा हो मर्दे ना पढ़ो हीरोइन वाला अच्छा पढ़ ही ले कोई बात नहीं Anu Kapoor defends Milky Body remarks on Tamanna Bhatia. I will touch her feet. पगला ये देख कति कति सब बोल रहे हो देख लो कति बोल जो एक्टर अनु कपूर qualifies has controversial remarks about Tamanna Bhatia's appearance, stating so that it was made in the context of a song and not with any inappropriate intent. He also addressed the calcium he faced, highlighting the conversational in present between Hindi and English. क्या करते हो भाई आर्यन मैन कहते हो आर्यन मैन said amidst he has gained weight policy to start again meta to lay off 8,000 from its workforce amid AI spending push report. Meta platforms, the parent company of Facebook, will be cutting 8,000 jobs in the first wave of layoffs to increase efficiency and recover from heavy spending on AI. The cuts, effective May 20, will also include not filling 6,000 open roles. The chief people's officials stated this as a part of their efforts to run the company more efficiently. Mojtaba Khamenei needs extensive face and limb struggles. Surgery may require prosthetic reports, while Iran is still holding up against the US in the Iran war. However, the power balance have shifted from the Ayatollah to the military. According to a New York Times report, this happened due to the new supreme leader Mojtaba Khamenei undergoing extensive surgery, rendering him unable to look over the administration of Iran. OMG ओपन AI चलो भाई ओपन AI के बारे में देखो क्या बोल रहा है ओपन AI बोल रहा हो OpenAI rules out GPT 5.5 highlights speeds, accuracy, and real world use. OpenAI has unveiled GPT's 5.5, their latest and most advanced AI model built for complex real work tests. It boasts improved speeds, accuracy, and efficiency, catering to partial and professional application. The model functions like an agent tracking intricate problems with minimal directions. फिर ट्रंप आ गए ओ भाई साहब ईरान टू ट्रंप कभी इंडिया आके देखो ओवर हेलो होल remark endorsement Iran citizens Trump for sharing video of conservative author saves Savage insulting India and China and claiming claiming immigrants are allegatory U.S. culture controversy arises before U.S. Secretary of State Ruba's trip to India to address tensions, and India denotes remarks as ignorance and observance. No worries, just still. After CWZ Olympic peace, India now targets 2038 Asian Games. India aims to host the 2038 Asian Games following their successful bids for the 2030 Commonwealth Games and a pitch for the 2030 Olympics, and the Olympics Council of Asia will evaluate India's bids, which is centered around Ahmedabad, a city with ongoing investments in sports infrastructure and set to होस्ट दी 2030 CWG. नो वरी गाइस, चलता है, क्या करिएगा. ट्रम्प का सब पूरा अपना जानबूझ के अपना जो है ना छैले रहता है. देखो भाई, RBI गवर्नर क्या बोलता है. India's inflation external debts well within targets level. RBI governor Sanjay Manotra, yes, assured India's stable inflation and external debt is dispute globally shocked, highlighting strong fundamental residential financial sector and global economic engagement. However, rising energy prices and conflict pose risks to inflation. Policy rate unchanged, but GDP growth projected to decline and retaliate inflation to increase due to supply chain distributed. गाइस, ये सब तो होता ही है, ठीक है ना. फिर वो आया RBI का, फिर इसको भी देख लेते हैं. Prolonged West Asia conflict to rise energy cost hit trade and market. The RBI has warned of potential risk to the Indian economy if the West Asia conflict prices and supply chain are not restored. Inflation and growth could not be affected due to trade डिस्टर्बेशन गाइस, डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है, ठीक है ना. एंड हायर एनर्जी कॉस्ट, यस. द टेम्पररी सीज फायर बिगिंस सम रिलीफ, बट the Indian economy remains resilient. However, there are concerns about the supply stock टर्निंग इनटू अ डिमांड स्टॉक. तो यहाँ पे जब तक वॉर चल रहा है तो यहाँ पे इफेक्ट तो होता रहता है, ठीक है ना. इफेक्ट वगैरह तो होता रहता है, उसमें कोई शक वाली बात नहीं है. तो गाइस, अभी जो टाइम हो रहा है, देखो भाई, यही सोचा था कि 10 से 15 मिनट का सेशन डेली लेंगे, ठीक है ना. बट नो वरी गाइस, वी आर here to continue our session, and today we enjoy this session because today is first day, and actually last time I start around 4 to 5 day before 4 to 5 day, yes, but at that moment I not feel like a good moment, okay. But no worry, right now this is very biggest grateful moment for sharing these type of route. No worry, okay. So we are regular, and regular, it means no any absent here, okay. No any absent, just regular, and just analyze proper point to point, yes, and just talk about it, yes. Just only matter that like we complete our session, yes, definitely. So today is 24th of April 2026, and this is Amardeep, and very welcome to all of you again, guys. Okay then guys, see you another day, I mean next day, another session with fully energetic. Yes, same time. This is 11:53. Okay, okay then guys, bye bye, tata, and again see you same time tomorrow. Yes, we are regular, definitely, no doubt. It means no any doubt. Yes, I am the I am I will give my best, and I am presently I give my best present time also. Okay, no worry. Okay then guys, bye bye, tata, and again see you same time tomorrow. Jai Hind all of you guys again.